Okay, well, my name is Brenda, and my story is pretty simple. I answered the door one day, and a young man asked me if I needed a roof. What do I have to say about Pelican? I found them extremely easy to work with, lots of follow through, communicated well, and I found that I was working with a team, not just a single person that came to just slap a roof on my house and then disappear. It was great working with a team of people who cared about what was happening. I can't say enough good things. My thoughts are the best thing that ever happened to me was the day that Jason knocked on my door and said, "Miss Brenda, can I help you?" We just had a storm, and I didn't have to worry about the safety of my home or myself because I had a new roof on my house. I had not had one in quite a while, and it was nice to know not only that my house looks better, my house is safer. Having a new roof is an amazing thing, and I'm really glad that Jason came and offered to help me.